So this is our entryway. This is actually one of my favorite parts. It's just the two of us right now, so we knew we just kind of wanted something small to grow into. Then we got our diplomas, which Michael put up so lovely. We both went to the University of Florida, go Gators, and we met in sign language class. So we met in 2018, so we've known each other for about 8 years. My personal favorite is like our wedding gallery. So we have all of the pictures that we love from our wedding. As soon as I finished, we got married pretty quickly after that, and then we were like, let's buy a house, let's do the next big thing. We did have a realtor that helped us, and Marcos, he met with us after hours, like he was willing to wait for us to get here to like look at it. All of our questions were answered with more than enough detail, and they made us feel really comfortable. So right from the beginning, I feel like it was very flexible, and everyone was willing to work with us, which was really cool, and there was no pressure either. Just as we kept looking, we kept kind of going back to this one over and over again as we ruled things out. We can kind of start from scratch and have like a bare surface and kind of like build up from there. Another of our favorite parts is like how open the floor plan was, so the kitchen going into the living room. Also a big selling point for us because we have like the huge window. We have like the lake right there. It's full of light, which is my personal favorite thing. In our apartment, I was always like opening all the blinds. I don't even have to do that here. I can have the blinds closed and still have a lot of light come in. I really like the master. It's a really big master. I have enough room to put a desk, see? So lots of space. The location of it for us was awesome because we like to be around lots of different people, different restaurants, different fun activities and hiking trails and all of that. So like the community itself is in like the perfect spot for all of that. It is amazing. I never thought it would be as cool as it is. We were in an apartment before this, so being in a home that we can do kind of whatever we want to is super cool. You kind of have like a handhold the whole process, which I know we needed as like first-time home buyers for sure. They just make it so smooth. And now that we kind of know what it looks like and what to expect, it would obviously have a lot less anxiety moving into it second time around. So I totally would 100% do it again.